Alright, let's start this video. First, we are going to drag that video clip into the timeline. So this is our video. Now we just need to write the text. So whatever you want to write, you can write. This is our text. So now we need to go in effect control, search here, track matte key. Now you can see track matte key. Drag this in your video, not in your text. So in the video, go in effect control. Here is effect control, click on effect control. Now you can see matte, track matte key, and here is the option of matte. Just click on it and now select video 2, and now here is magic. You can see this is magic. Now let's animate this. Select your text. When you select your text, go in effect control. Now you are in effect control. Just scale more your video to animate this, like until you see your video. So now you can see, and I'm going to drag this over here, like position and scales you can set. And now where you want to animate, like this is our starting site, we want to animate, and here we just want to show that text and video. So let's scale. Now reset this scale, reset, and now this is animate. Just see how cool is this. If you want to make it more smooth, just select these both keyframes, right click, temporary interpolation, and ease in, and select these both, ease out, and now you can see this is so smooth. See how cool is this? So this is for today. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to support this channel. Thank you.